welcome back to Puru's Kitchen. So today I come here with a new recipe, and that is chicken pasta in white sauce. So let's start with ingredients. I have 1 cup of wheat flour pasta, 3-4 finely chopped garlics, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 100 ml of milk, olive oil, chicken pieces, salt, black pepper powder, mixed herbs and chili flakes. I have as well taken few veggies. So I have 1 cup of broccoli, I have 1 cup of mushrooms, half cup of capsicum, half cup of red and yellow bell peppers, and few leaves of basils. I am also using 2 cheese cubes and little bit of butter as per the requirement. I'm going to add pasta to the boiling water now. So I'm adding the entire 1 cup of pasta to the boiling water. Here we can add half teaspoon of salt, and we have to cover this particular bowl with a lid. Into the pan we add some olive oil, some butter. So let's add all the veggies, let's fry all the veggies. So here I add little bit of capsicum, my bell peppers, let's fry them until they are partially cooked. So let's add our broccoli. Now we'll add some mushrooms. Let's add a pinch of salt to our vegetables. Once we add salt to mushroom starts leaving little bit of water, and let's add little bit of black pepper powder for additional flavors. And let's just give it a nice stir. As we can see, the vegetables are nicely cooked. Let's just remove them side in a plate. Let's add a little bit of butter in the pan again. So let's add the chicken. So chicken has started to cook nicely. Let's add a little bit of salt to it. And some black pepper. So as we can see, the chicken is properly cooked. Now let's just remove chicken in a bowl. So in the same pan, let's put little bit of olive oil. So the olive oil is nicely heated up. We'll add our finely chopped garlic pieces to it. We need to cook these garlic pieces until they turn slightly brown in color. So as we can see, the garlic is turned nice brown. Let's add 2 teaspoons of corn flour to it. And stir it properly. Add our 100 ml milk to it. let's just stir this properly on a slow flame, and we have to make sure that there are no lumps formed to it. So we can see there are no lumps formed. We have to stir it continuously and make sure that there are no lumps, and in case if required, you can, if you see slight lumps in it, you can add little bit of water to it so that it makes a consistent sauce. Now what we will do is, we will just add little bit of black pepper to it, some mixed herbs, and pasta cannot be completed without chili flakes. So let's add some chili flakes to it. As we can see, our white pasta sauce is nicely ready. Let's grate some cheese cubes on it to give it a nice flavor. Just mix it properly with the white sauce, and you can now have nice cheese white sauce ready for your pasta. So as we can see, the cheese is nicely melted and here is our white sauce ready. Let's add our cooked chicken pieces to it. Now let's add all our mixed veggies. And stir it properly. So here is all the veggies added in the white sauce, and you can see them perfectly fine. And I have also checked my penny pastas. Here they are nicely cooked. I have kept little bit of water in it. I like to add little bit of water because it gives nice flavors, mixture of nice creamy flavors. And now I'm going to add all my vegetables with white sauce in it. Now let's just give it a nice stir. So now I'm going to add chopped basil leaves to it. So let's just add. Basil leaves gives nice flavors to the dish. Let's stir it properly. And here we see our pasta is ready to serve. So now I'm going to enjoy my time having this delicious, tasty, colorful pasta.